Welcome to the unboxing of the all-new Starvision Dashcam by JCBL accessories. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Right on top, we have the main unit, the sleek Starvision front dashcam. Next is the dedicated rear camera, complete with ample wiring to accommodate any vehicle size. The box also includes an electrostatic sticker for residue-free windshield mounting, a complete hardwire kit, a user manual to guide your setup, and a handy Allen key. Let's look at the specs. The front unit is powered by a stunning 4K Sony IMX335 sensor for crystal clear footage. It features a vibrant 3-inch IPS touch display for effortless navigation and modern Type-C connectivity. The rear unit delivers crisp Full HD recording and features a highly versatile 360-degree rotation, ensuring you get the perfect angle. Back to the front camera, you will find an easily adjustable mount and lens, plus support for massive storage capabilities up to 512 GB.